This is a pain and it is your. Think of an asset as anything which you just about owning, it's about something which helps you. This pen can help you take notes in. It can help you file an application which will help you its value and it benefits you in some way. In short, asset is something which you own and it helps you. Now look at this. I have written 50,000 rupees as a loan. This is a liability. A liability is something which you owe to someone else. It's not your item to keep, so you have to give it back to the person from whom you have taken it. And because you have to give it back, it takes your resources or money. So liability is something which you owe to someone else. And it takes away from you. Think of it this way. You have to have a lot of assets and fewer liabilities. And this will help you to build wealth and have a strong financial position.